Okay, we're going to look at adding and subtracting in the context of decimal numbers. Now, the children have got really firm with their addition and subtraction methods, but sometimes decimals throw them, particularly like in these two examples, where there are different numbers of decimal numbers. So I'm just going to show you what we've been teaching them to do with this one, because practicing this is really going to help. First one is addition, so we're going to set it out using our column method. 52.31 add 12.009. Now, like with timesing and dividing by 10, it's essential they get those decimals lined up correctly. Okay, I'm going to leave myself a spacing because I have to bridge. I can put my decimal in there ready. Now, the issue they have sometimes is not realising that in this particular place here, there's a 0. We just don't tend to write it in as mathematicians because we're lazy. Now, with 3 decimal places, they can add up quite confidently. So here we've got 0 add 9, 1 add 0, 3 add 0, 2 add 2, which is 4, and the 50 add 10, which makes our answer 64.319. So although it looks at face value like quite a difficult problem, it's no harder than adding 5-digit whole numbers. For the subtraction, I've chosen a slightly trickier one here on purpose. Again, we've got 3 decimals here and only 2 on this side. If the children set it out using their squared paper, this time we're taking away. It's really important they line those digits up in the right place and draw that decimal in. That decimal is rigid, it cannot move. Where there's only two decimal placed in this slide, we encourage them to write a 0 in. It just helps them to visualise and see what's going on. And so this time, the actual sum itself is fairly straightforward because we've got 4 take away nothing, which is 4, 3 take away 1, which is 2, 1 take away 1, which is 0, there's our decimal, it's in line, 6 take away 5, which is 1, and then right at the end, just to try and trip them up a little bit, we've got 2 take away 7, but it's fairly easy to borrow. They can borrow from the hundreds column, and 12 take away 7 is a reasonable thing to ask children this age to do, and they can work out their answer. Okay, adding and subtracting decimal numbers is going to make a real difference to how they get on.